How to turn on or turn off Save Screenshots to Clipboard on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, in here, we scroll down and then tap on General Management. Next, tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Then we scroll down and in here, tap on Save Screenshots to Clipboard. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then when you take a screenshot, it should be saved to the clipboard as well so that we can paste it if you wanted to. So in here, I can paste it onto my pad. So in my clipboard here, you can see I can tap on that and that will allow me to paste the screenshot onto my notes or other apps. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.